Hi, computer friend Connie here. Let's look at the shortcut called Flash Fill. Sounds like a cool name, doesn't it? Flashy. So we're going to show you how to fill in your information in a flash. No idea that's what they intended for the name, but that's how I'm going to describe it. So we're going to fill in information in a flash with Flash Fill. So you see I have two examples on my spreadsheet here. I have just a few names, and then I have a store location and numbers here. So I'm just going to use these two to give you the example. So here I typed in Ashley's first name and then her last name into the box. There's another shortcut for this, but I just want to show you this example to start with. So I did type this. I'm a little bit against typing if I don't have to, but let's just say we did that. So you're maybe aware of the fact that you go to the bottom corner to fill something, and normally with numbers that works miracles, and with formulas it works miracles, but what does it do with words, with text? Let's see. So I'm going to go to this corner, and as I move my mouse closer to the very corner where the little box is, my white plus sign changes to a black cross. So I'm going to go to that black plus sign, and if I double click, it'll fill down the information. So that's what autofill is. It automatically filled down the information. Because this isn't a number, it's like, I don't know what you want. I guess you want the same thing over and over again. If it was a number, it would think you want either that number repeated or that number in a sequence, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if it was a formula, it would think you want to have the formula make sense all the way down. So it would adjust the formula. But it's doing kind of wonky things here with my text, my words, so we don't want that. But there's this little handle at the bottom. So this little handle here is an extra guide for us. And what you want to do is, before you click off of here, click on this little handle. They call it autofill options. You used to call it a handle, but I call it handle. And in here you see you have some options. So I'm going to go to the one that says Flash Fill, because that's what I'm showing you. So let's see what happens when I say Flash Fill. Voila! It automatically figures out, because the first name was coming from column A and column B, that when I'm filling in the rest of them, I must want to take stuff from column A and column B and put it together. So it automatically filled that in. Is that cool or what? Did you know that? Okay, let me know in the comments. Are you using Excel? Do you know this little trick? Is this going to help you somewhere? This is more for text, as you can see. Fill is something that we can do regardless, but Flash Fill is very cool because it kind of predicts what you want based on what you showed it in the beginning. So let's do that example again. Let's do it with the store. So I'm going to do the double click on the black plus sign here at the corner. Now this time, because I have a number in there, it says, oh, well, you must, because you're filling down, you must want to increase that number one after another. And no, I don't. So thanks for guessing. Thanks for your help, but that's not what I want. So I want to go to my autofill options here and change it to say I want Flash Fill. And there you go. It knows, okay, because you have Edmonton 504, then the other ones must be based on what's in those cells. So I'm going to give you that. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.